Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about delivery streaks on Doordash. So one of the newer programs that just came out is the delivery streak promo program. With all of these opportunities, some of them are great and some of them not so great. So with that said, I want to go over everything you must know about delivery streaks on Doordash, what they tell you versus how it actually is, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain, is never intended to be legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It's advised that you conduct your own research, consult with qualified professionals before you apply anything you find online. I also want to be clear that everything that we're going to be going over in this video is very market dependent, and what applies to me and my market may not apply to you. So with that said, let's get started. Delivery streaks. We're piloting a new program that lets you earn more with each delivery. With delivery streaks, dashers in select markets can make extra money by accepting and completing back-to-back deliveries in a row. That's a lot of political nonsense. Let me make some adjustments there. We're piloting a new program that lets you earn more with each delivery as long as you're losing money in the process. We want people to accept as many no-tip orders as possible, and because of that, we're piloting this program. Yep, that sounds a bit more accurate. Earn more as you dash. Get incentives when you accept and complete a consecutive set of orders within a start and end time indicated in your app. So this is actually very similar to one of the missions that are available on Grubhub, where they basically say complete 3 orders without skipping any and earn an extra $3 or something like that. With DoorDash, it's probably going to pay a bit better, but it doesn't mean it's worth pursuing. Maximize your earning time. The more sets of consecutive deliveries you accept and complete, the more money you will make. No, what that means is that they're gonna have you accept more orders, not good orders. That's not the same thing. Track your progress. The Dasher app will show your progress as you accept and complete consecutive orders and watch your money grow. So it's gonna be similar to challenges, but not actually challenges where they have that little bar on top. I'm sure they're gonna play similar games with delivery streaks to where you'll have 3 of the 4 completed and suddenly you hit this rut and you just don't get that 4th delivery until 12:01 when it's already ended. But that being said, I don't know that yet. How it works. Delivery streaks will be displayed in your Dasher app and Dash Now screen when available. They will not show up in the promos tab. So wait a second. This is a promo, but you're not putting it in the promos tab? Why are you trying to do it that way? I'm sure they'll try implementing it at some point, but that day is just not today, clearly. Tapping on delivery streak will show you the details about the delivery streak, including where to dash to earn your bonus, the offer start and end time, delivery requirements to earn it, how much you'll earn after completing your order. And similar to challenges, they're gonna lay it out for you, all the details and everything else. It's gonna look something like this. Keep in mind, a delivery streak begins when you accept your order within the set duration of the delivery streak. After that, you must accept and complete the required number of deliveries consecutively without rejecting or logging off. If you need to, you can always pause your dash for up to 35 minutes while you're actively on a delivery streak. Once again, another way for them to try to get your acceptance rate up and for you to accept bad orders and financially poor orders rather than just paying the drivers more. Frequently asked questions. How do I start and complete a delivery streak? To start a delivery streak, you must accept your first order in the indicated area of your offer. Make sure to accept and complete all delivery requirements within the start and end time after. So it's not going to be for all zones, it's going to be for very specific zones. Keep in mind, when they do that, some people are going to treat it like a flame and they're the moth to where they're going to start chasing promos. Never chase promos. If you start chasing promos, you're going to end up in areas you're unfamiliar with. You might end up in areas that don't have as many tippers. In fact, it's almost like a red flag. Hey, all of the bad orders are over here. So be careful of that. You don't want to end up in a bad location. Which types of deliveries count towards a delivery streak? All types of delivery types count towards a delivery streak, including batch deliveries. Now, you see, that's interesting because I'm not sure if earned by time will be eligible for that. Is this strictly earned by order or earned by time? Because earned by time people may actually like this. How do batched orders count towards a delivery streak? streak. For batch orders, each order counts as one delivery instance. If your batch orders consist of 3 deliveries, each of the 3 deliveries counts as one delivery towards your delivery streak. Okay, so if you take a batched order and the batched order has 3 deliveries within it, it'll count as 3 of the 4 in the streak, assuming, which is really cool. I kind of like that. Usually it's just 1 and that's it. No, they actually count it as a total. So not gonna lie, that kind of makes me happy. What happens if I decline a delivery, miss a delivery assignment, unassign a delivery, or end my dash while on a delivery streak? If you decline a delivery, miss a delivery assignment, unassign a delivery, or end your dash before you complete a delivery streak, the streak will end and you will not earn the delivery streak promotion. So if for whatever reason you do not accept an order on Doordash, you're going to end up losing the streak. I can already see the world of glitches, dead times, and there's this glitch that's happening on Doordash right now. You can't earn the delivery streak because all these orders are coming to your phone, but you can't accept them. So that way you end up losing a lot of streaks. What happens if a customer or merchant cancels the delivery after I accept the order? If the customer or merchant cancels the delivery after you've accepted the order, that order will still count towards you completing the delivery streak. Doordash is actually pretty good about this. Doordash will make sure that if the customer or the merchant cancels the order and it's not because of you specifically, those actions won't count against you. You'll probably get half pay for the order you accepted and not full pay, but either way, that is how it would work. Can I pause my dash while on a delivery streak? Yes, you can pause your dash as usual for up to 35 minutes while you're on a delivery streak. If you don't resume after 35 minutes, your dash will end and your streak will reset to 0. Typical pausing logic there. Why don't I see delivery streaks on my app? Since this is a pilot, it is only available to select dashers and may end at any point. We will continue to monitor and keep you informed if you're eligible. So just like earn by time, this is going to be a market to market thing, but if it hits your area, this is what's going to happen. Will I get partial bonus for completing one of the required deliveries in a delivery streak? You will need to complete all of the required deliveries in a delivery streak to be qualified for a bonus. Yeah, it's either all or nothing. None of this half and half nonsense. Even though that's exactly how it would work if it's peak pay, I think DoorDash is just looking for ways to not pay us as much for individual deliveries while choosing to decline no-tip orders. How will pay from delivery streaks show up in my account? Once you have completed a delivery streak successfully within the time window, you will see the payout in your weekly earnings, which means you would have to check your earnings tab for that. Where is the delivery streaks pilot available? Delivery streak is only available in select markets.
I don't answer questions. I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions?
That's correct.
What's the reason for that?
I don't answer questions.
Now, I do have a few side notes that I would like to go over on this subject. Don't compromise your standards. Look, I don't care what anybody says. Delivery bonus may say it pays $8 extra for you to take this no-tip order along with these other orders you took. But at the end of the day, that's going to end up either losing you money or it's going to break even, which completely ruins the point of the delivery streak entirely. Not to mention, DoorDash is going to end up playing games with this anyway. You know how they are. So don't compromise your standards for the sake of chasing a promo. No-tip customers are still no-tip customers. But let's say you decide, for whatever reason, to do delivery streaks, right? You take some no-tip orders just to fulfill the needs of the streak. You're going to be subject to contract violations because they're going to claim that the order never arrived or the wrong order arrived. You're going to end up with 1-star ratings with no comments. So you're like, what happened? I don't know what I did. And then even worse, one day it's going to lead to a wrongful deactivation. You as an intelligent driver end up wrongfully deactivated. Especially during this season to where mass deactivations are still a little high. Be careful. Still not as good as multi-apping. Like I said, multi-apping is going to earn you a lot more money than anything that DoorDash will ever do on its own. If you're not getting good orders on DoorDash, you can get good orders on UberEats, Grubhub. Maybe during the morning you take a Veho route, or maybe you're doing a catering order for delivered or deliver that, or whatever that looks like for you. No no amount of these promos are going to make up for the overall benefits of multi-apping and having a diversified gig portfolio. And not to mention the importance of an exit strategy where the gig economy is the income bridge to what would be a long-term goal, not the goal. And the time you would put in towards a gig like DoorDash and chasing after that promo is going to be much better spent on whatever long-term strategy that is for you. For me, that is this YouTube channel at the moment. Eventually, I will grow into a website, making this more of a podcast, whatever that looks like. But at the end of the day, I'm not going to put all of my eggs in one gig basket. So make sure you're always diversifying your gig portfolio, regardless of what promos pop up. Did I miss anything? Is there something else about the new delivery streak system on DoorDash that I've yet to cover in this video? Let me know in the comments. Let's make sure that anything and everything that needs to be said about delivery streaks on DoorDash is said, and that way we could all make the most amount of money in the least amount of time in the safest possible way. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.